If you're listening to this talk, you probably have a screen in front of you. Think to yourself, I'm looking at the screen. Is there any possibility that this obvious fact may not be true? Philosopher Rene Descartes believed that this possibility always exists. You can't ever be truly certain about any belief except one. Try to guess what this one belief is and wait until the end of the talk to find out. One by one, I make you think of all of these uncertainties of the world and maybe have an existential crisis, or at least a headache. Have you ever wondered if you are actually a butterfly dreaming a human's life? Chinese philosopher Su has. One day, Su woke up from a dream that he was a butterfly fluttering around. Now, he had no idea that he was dreaming. He argued that similarly, there's no proof that he's currently not in a dream either. I mean, what really distinguishes a dream from real life? So, here's the first uncertainty. You don't really know if this is not a dream or that the physical form that you embody is actually the one. Next, our entire scientific knowledge is based on certain laws of nature and the assumption that we have interpreted them correctly. However, this entire basis for several theories may be flawed. Just like we believe that we're the center of the universe or that the atom is indivisible. With supercolliders creating matter out of nothing, the present is changing too. So, is the law of conservation really real? Here's the second uncertainty. You don't know if science, all your beliefs about the world are real. We are afraid of not knowing. So, we create explanations for things beyond our understanding. It started with creating a supreme entity that can be held responsible for all phenomena, God. As we progress, these explanations keep evolving and replacing previous ones. The human mind thinks linearly. Consequently, everything has been assigned a start and end point, be it A to Z or both to death. Maybe it is so because we can't comprehend ideas such as infinity or nothingness. Think about it. Can you describe how it will feel like to just not exist? When you're dead, we've codified our existence to bring it down to human size, to make it comprehensible to understand its unfathomable scale. Maybe 1 plus 1 isn't really 2. This is the third uncertainty. We don't know if our entire system of thinking is the correct one. Elon Musk believes that there's a 1 in a billionth chance that this is reality. We are on our way to quantum computers powerful enough to simulate the entire world. This proves that our own world could be a simulation too. Digital information theory. The movie Matrix poses the possibility of us being in an alien scientific experiment. Yet, we ignore these endless possibilities and live in our little bubble, thinking that what you ate for breakfast today matters in the grand scale. So this is the fourth uncertainty. You don't know if you're not living in a simulation. Think of colors. The world would be so much vibrant to a bat, which can see much beyond our spectrum. You can only see a small part of what the world looks like in these 7 colors. You won't ever get to see a UV color. Forget a bat. You don't even know if this white that I am seeing is the same white that you are seeing. It is impossible for you to see the world from anyone else's eyes. So, this is the fifth uncertainty. You'll never know if your version of the world matches with someone else's. Now, to satisfy your curiosity, let's go back to the question asked in the beginning. What are you sure of? The man who asked it, René Descartes, answered himself. He said, I think, therefore I am. So, here's your answer. The only thing that you're aware of is that you think. Philosopher Kant proposed transcendental idealism, stating that minds create order out of chaos. Berkeley proposed immaterialism, which implies that the universe wouldn't exist if there were no conscious mind to observe it. Solipsism is the philosophical idea that only one's mind is sure to exist. As an epistemological position, solipsism holds that knowledge of anything outside one's own mind is unsure. The one thing that you aren't unsure of is that your consciousness exists. You don't know if you actually exist as a butterfly or human. You don't know if anyone or anything around you exists. but you know you do. These are all extremely complicated questions, the answers to which our minds cannot fathom. Maybe we'll never know of our origin. Maybe we aren't meant to. What is our purpose? Is this a reality? What does it mean to exist? Maybe the world is too much to process for our fickle minds, and hence our brain perceives a simplified version for us to make sense of it. To conclude this whole mess in a very simple and meaningful way, one thing is for sure. We see what our perception or interpretation of the world is, not the world in itself. Similarly, life is what you make of it. The glass can be half empty or half full. It's all about your mindset. Thank you.